Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to find out where your domain name or someone else's domain name is registered. Maybe you bought a domain for a long time ago and forgot which company you used. Or maybe you are managing a website for a client and need to know the domain register. Don't worry, in this video, I'll show you two quick easy methods to find out in less than 1 minute. Let's start it. First, what is a domain registrar? Before we begin, let's quickly understand what is domain registrar is. A domain registrar is a company where your domain name is registered. For example, GoDaddy, Namecheap, Google Domains, or Bluehost. These companies allow you to purchase and manage domain names. If you want to change the DNS settings, renew your domain, or transfer it, you will need to access the registrar account. So first thing you can do is you can check your regular email address. Whenever you register a domain name, you will be verified using your email address. So you can check the email address from where you will get the registrar account. The next method is using ICANN Lookup. The web address is lookup.icann.org. Check the description for the link. Here you can copy paste your website link of your own one or your client's one. So let's copy paste one of my client's domain name. So I copy paste this one, primemanage.co.uk, and click lookup. Here you have to be noted, you only need to put the domain name. So www and https you have to remove. So I just remove this one, and this / also I am removing, and again click lookup. Now you can see all the details are coming, the domain information, the name servers, the contact information. And once you go here, the registrar information, you can see the registrar is IONOS. So the URL given is ionos.com. Once you click the URL, you can see this IONOS. This is the domain name provider. So here you can sign in and get the details of the domain details. So another method is using WHOIS.domaintools.com. Again, read the description for the link. Copy paste the domain name in any format with the HTTPS or www is no problem. Click search. Now you can see the registrar status is given here, and here the source is given. The registration done is 2020 December 21, and the registrar is ionos.com. Likewise, we can find any domain name with their registrar. Even if domain privacy protection is enabled, registrar names will still appear in the lookup results. So you can always find where your domain is registered.